Hi everyone. What are we going to do this week? Well, on Monday we're going to finish up chapter 5.4. We're going to finish those sum and difference identities for sine and cosine. Then on Tuesday and Wednesday we're going to move forward and do chapter 5.5, and we're going to take a look at our double angle identities, and we'll finish that up, and that homework will be due on Thursday by 4 p.m. And then on Thursday and Friday, we'll be looking at chapter 5.6, our half angle identities. We'll finish that up on Friday, and that homework will be due on Monday by 4 p.m. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. The chapter 5 test will be next week. So get used to using the formula sheet, the identity sheet that I have asked you to print out already, that you should be using on your homework. So get used to using that, because that will be the notes that you'll be able to use on your test. All right.